Join me as I dive deep into the question, could Earth really survive without oceans? Let's find out. The importance of oceans can't be overstated. They cover over 70% of our planet and are home to an incredible array of marine life. From the majestic blue whale to the tiny plankton, the diversity of species that call the ocean home is staggering. But beyond just their beauty and biological significance, oceans play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, supporting entire ecosystems, and providing vital resources for human societies. If oceans were to suddenly disappear, the consequences would be catastrophic. Climate change would spiral out of control, with no oceanic absorption of carbon dioxide to mitigate its effects. The loss of biodiversity would be staggering, with many species that rely on the ocean for survival facing extinction. And for humans, the impact would be felt in every aspect of our lives, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. One of the most immediate challenges would be adapting to the extreme weather patterns that would emerge in the absence of oceans. Without the moderating influence of ocean currents and temperature regulation, weather patterns would become increasingly unpredictable and severe. Coastal cities and low-lying areas would be inundated with frequent and devastating storms, displacing millions of people and disrupting global economies. Furthermore, the loss of oceanic resources would have a profound impact on human societies. Fishing industries would collapse, leading to widespread food shortages and economic instability. The absence of oceanic transport would severely disrupt global trade, leading to shortages of essential goods and services. And the impact on tourism and recreation would be devastating, with the loss of iconic destinations and cultural heritage sites. Beyond these immediate consequences, the long-term effects of an oceanless world would be even more far-reaching. The Earth's climate would enter a state of rapid flux, with temperatures soaring and weather patterns becoming increasingly unstable. The absence of oceanic carbon sequestration would lead to a buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, accelerating climate change to unprecedented levels. The specific roles that oceans play in regulating climate, supporting ecosystems, and providing resources would all be disrupted in the absence of oceans. The ocean's ability to absorb and distribute heat around the globe would be lost, leading to extreme temperature fluctuations. The intricate food webs that rely on oceanic species would collapse, leading to widespread extinctions. And the vital resources that oceans provide, from medicine to energy, would be lost forever. The consequences of an oceanless world would be truly shocking. Mass extinctions would become a reality, with many species unable to adapt to the new environment. Extreme weather events would become the norm, with devastating storms and droughts affecting every region of the globe. And the very fabric of human societies would be torn apart, as the absence of oceanic resources and regulation would lead to widespread poverty, famine, and conflict. One of the most alarming consequences would be the rapid acceleration of climate change. With no oceans to absorb and distribute heat, the Earth's climate would enter a state of runaway warming, with temperatures soaring to unprecedented levels. The consequences of this would be catastrophic, with entire cities and ecosystems being wiped out by extreme weather events. The potential consequences of an oceanless world are almost too dire to contemplate, and yet, it's essential that we consider them in order to appreciate the critical role that oceans play in supporting life on Earth. In conclusion, the importance of oceans to the survival of our planet cannot be overstated. The consequences of an oceanless world would be catastrophic, and it's essential that we take action to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on ocean conservation in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about environmental issues, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the impact of plastic pollution on marine ecosystems.